Today is Tuesday, May 26, 2026, and today I'm going to be performing an attempted shingle repair on this shingle right here, labeled shingle 1. I have these two shingles above shingle 1 labeled shingle 2 and shingle 3. Reason for that is that because the way shingle 1 is nailed in, I would have to disturb, with the nails in, I would have to disturb these two shingles in order to remove this shingle. So we're gonna go ahead and proceed with the attempted shingle repair. And this is on the garage of 8224 Mayfield. So we'll go ahead and begin. As you can see, just off the bat, there's a ton of granulate loss in that process. I am going as gentle as possible, but no matter how gentle you go, there's always going to be granulate loss. As you can see, here's some mat transfer in the process of unsealing this. Granulate loss right there. And again, as you can see, there's more mat transfer on the shingle. So I'm going to go ahead and go up to shingle 2. As you can see right here, there's a tiny tear in the shingle right there. And then we have some granulate loss right here. See, just even in the process of trying to remove it, you see all the granulates fall off. And again, there's more mat transfer in the process of unsealing it. And we have a bunch granulate loss on this shingle right here as well. I'm going to go ahead and move on to shingle 3. You can see right here, we have more granulate loss right there, more granulate loss right there. Of course, on this shingle, we have mat transfer. As you can see right here, more granulate loss, more granulate loss. As you can see right here, we have a tiny tear in the shingle, a minor one, but there's still granulate loss, and of course, mat transfer. So in total, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 points of failure. This attempted repair has failed. We will no longer proceed.